Hello guys, it's Na, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I like to do my at-home pedicure. So I like to start off my pedicures with a soak. I like to use Epsom salt. This Epsom salt has green tea and chamomile. You can use whatever Epsom salt you like. And Epsom salt is beneficial for sore feet. It helps to relax them and to soften your feet as well. I'm using a nail pusher to remove my gel polish, and yes, this works out for me because ORLY GELFX, whenever I use it, the gel polish just comes right off with this technique. However, not every gel nail polish is the same, and guys, if your gel nail polish does not come off like this, please do not try this method. Use acetone, and if I was to use acetone, I would just put my acetone on a cotton ball and place on each nail, and then wrap it with an aluminum foil and let it sit for some time. And then once I see that it is kind of loosening up, then I would just remove it with a nail pusher. I almost forgot to mention my foot spa that I'm using. I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'll link the details in the description box below. I just love how this gel polish just comes off so easily. I mean, look at this. It's just coming off in big pieces. Look at that chunk right there. So while I'm removing the gel polish, I'm also cleaning the cuticle, cleaning the nail bed. And I like to dip my feet in the water from time to time. It feels so relaxing. It feels so good to remove this gel polish. I've had these gels on my toes for over a month now. Now I have removed all the gel polish. Yes, now it's time to move on to the next step of this pedicure. And now I'm cleaning up all the buildup from underneath my nails so that I can have a very nice, clean looking nail and a very flawless looking pedicure as well. And I'm using my nail pusher to push back my cuticles and to remove all the buildup from my nail bed to ensure a really nice smooth application when I finally get to applying my gel nail polish. And this is really great using this nail pusher versus using a nail filer. You don't want to use a nail filer too much because you will end up with very brittle toenails. So I do recommend using this. Eventually you will use your nail filer to buff out the nails before you apply your gel polish. And I'm just going back again and making sure that I removed everything underneath my toenails. Now this is my favorite part of the pedicure. I'm going to grab my Body Buff Coffee Exfoliating Scrub Cream and rub this all over my feet. It's in the scent Coconut+Vanilla and it smells so good. And this is a really essential part of the pedicure, exfoliating. You got to remove all the dead skin from your feet so that your feet will be so smooth and so soft. I'm rubbing the scrub all over my feet in a circular motion. Now I'm using my callus remover to remove all the dead skin and callus from underneath my foot. I just pretty much feel around to see where the roughness is and the dryness on my feet. I do not use a callus remover on the soft parts of my foot. I just use it on the rough parts. So usually you'd be using the callus remover mainly on your heel, the sides of your feet, and your big toe. Those are typically where you apply the most pressure on your feet. And this is really an important part of the pedicure. You want to take your time removing up all that callus so that when your honey feels your feet, woo, you will be like, yes, I did a good job. I love that I know that my feet are going to be extra soft after this. Wow, that felt so good. Ooh. Now I'm going to rinse this scrub off and prepare myself for the next step. Okay, so now that I put my foot spa away, I'm going to dry off my feet with a towel. Dry them up because I'm going to get ready to apply my gel polish. I noticed there was a little bit of gel polish stuck underneath my toenails, so I had to get that out before I start applying my gel polish. And guys, I noticed that I didn't remove the cuticles, so I had to grab my cuticle clippers and remove my cuticles for a more flawless pedicure. Come on. And I know my toenails are super long. I like them long. I just need to get them to my desired shape. I'm using a damp towel to remove the debris from my nail. And now it's time to apply the gel polish. Yes. I'm using the ORLY GELFX Builder in a Bottle as a base coat. Using the Sensationail LED lamp to cure my gel nails. I used this in my last nail tutorial video. You guys gotta check that out. I did tell you guys I would be getting a new one. Maybe in the next one I'll have my new one, because this one's a little bit small, but it is perfect for my feet though. So before I apply the royal blue color, I like to apply a white gel polish. This helps that royal blue color to pop, because without it, it is a more translucent color. So to get this opaque royal blue color, I just apply that white underneath, and it's giving me LA Dr. Blue vibes. So beauties, I'll leave all the details of the products that I use in the description box below. And guys, I recommend getting a pedicure at least once a month to keep your feet looking flawless. It's best to moisturize your feet after the gel application is finished. So I'm gonna apply some coconut oil. This is from SimpleTruth Organic. After exfoliating, all that exfoliating that I did, you gotta moisturize your feet. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give your girl a thumbs up, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.